Let's talk Valentine's Day. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're going to talk about my very, very simple Valentine's Day decorations. Why do I say very simple Valentine's Day decorations? Well, because Valentine's Day to me is one of those really weird holidays. You know, like, it's in between things, and like, if you have Valentine's Day decorations up on the 13th, people look at you like you're crazy, but then if you have Valentine's Day decorations up on the 15th, they look at you like you're crazy again. I mean, let's face it, unless you're one of these people who just goes all out for everything, Valentine's Day can be just one of those weird standalone kind of holiday-ish kind of things. And my opinion of glitter is, and I hate to say this, but I will say it, to me, glitter is the herpes of the craft world. I hate glitter. So I try not to use glitter, but I also don't want to spend a fortune on things which aren't going to be used ever again for anything, unless I were to get hearts, and then I could use, you know, like the actual heart shape that I could use for, you know, like Halloween, but that's a whole nother story. When it comes to Valentine's Day decorations, I want something, I'm going to use what I have, and I'm going to try it in a creative way. You are going to see that everything that I use in my Valentine's Day decorations, I actually had on hand. Now, if you watch the other videos, I'll show you exactly how I did it, and I know I'm ashamed to admit that it's going to be that simple, but it really is. But let's take a really quick look at my Valentine's Day decorations. The other thing which will set the mood for Valentine's Day is the music. Yeah. Now remember, to make it your Valentine's Day, not somebody else's Valentine's Day. Do not worry about what other people are doing for Valentine's Day. If you have something which is significant and important to the two of you, then that's what your Valentine's Day should be. It should be all about whoever you're sharing your Valentine's Day with and however you want to share it. And that's what's important. Don't worry about having all the hearts and flowers, because I myself, this might be hard to believe, I don't like flowers. Yeah, that's true. There are two flowers that I like, and that would be lavender and roses. However, I'm not big on cut roses. I like to look at roses outside. And lavender, I just like the scent of it. Other than that, I don't get it. Don't get it at all. But make your Valentine's Day something special for you. Make your house feel pleasant and nice. And you'll enjoy your Valentine's Day even more. This was so simple to do. The bears, you know, I collect bears if you've been following this channel, and I kept them in pairs simply because it's Valentine's Day. See that? You know, in pairs, Valentine's Day. Oh yeah, kind of clever there. And then of course the jars are, just as if you check out that video, the jars are so easy to do, yet give you a big impact with the color red or pink, or depending upon your food color. Now the flowers that I used were actually the flowers that I used from Christmas. Yeah, so you're seeing where all this ties back in together, because I hate buying something that I know I'm not going to use at a later date. This way I can just use it. Now the other thing which I have done is I'll show you a few pictures of what this looks like with romantic lighting. How did I do my romantic lighting? I bought those color changing light bulbs. Yeah, I have my Google Assistant, my Google Home can then do the different things. And I've got everything linked down below, but that does add just that special little touch, and it gives you a happy little Valentine's Day with the right music, the right person. You've got it. You've got a Valentine's Day which hopefully you will enjoy. Didn't cost you any money, and it isn't going to be hard to take down whatsoever. The other cool part about this is I didn't really change anything. I just added my few Valentine's Day decorations. That way when I'm going to be changing out from, what are we now, from February into March, which is spring, pretty soon. So yeah, it's that simple. Well, what did you do for Valentine's Day? Let me know. If you posted on Instagram, remember to tag me on Instagram. All my links are listed down below, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.